Good morning. It's tomorrow, which is one more day towards chickening. Sea day? Cook day. Chicken. Anyways, my name is Davey. Life got crazy. I used to get around.
Traveling, he said.
Mama missed your baby. Now I'm back in town on the Carter's tiny homestead. I'm creating a brine to put the rooster in to make sure that it comes out succulent and juicy, because rooster meat is known to be a little tough. And like, you know how they say, bastards will be bastards. I'm gonna grab some rosemary, some thyme, a little bit of basil. The recipe calls for garlic, honey, salt, and water, of course. So, let's gather our ingredients from the garden. What the heck is this? Take a sprig of this one. Sprig of that one. Look at this. I think this is the rosemary, or this is lemon thyme. This is that. I'll throw some chives in it just because we got them. All right. It's looking real good. Oh, you know what? And that dill is sticking around. Or fennel. No, that's dill. Look at it. It sure is keeping up with the Carters. Keeping up with the Carters. This ain't a big enough pot. What's your problem? Good not have no problem. Ain't nobody got no time for no problems. All right. Oh my gosh, it's stiff as a board. I don't know what to do with these chicken feet. I'm leaving them in there. I'm not hating on the feather, but if you want to get it off. Come on, chicken. Let's see if it'll fit in here in this plastic Ziploc. Ooh, I did get mine. Dang it. Not quite. Unless I fabricated. Chop it up. chicken heart and chicken liver. Carter. Scott. Carter. Scott. Come here. Oh, the gate's closed. How she locked you out? Eat the chicken heart or liver. Want some more? Eat it. Carter. Want to eat some chicken heart? Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Chicken brine has cooled or chilled. Heck, that would have been terrible.
This guy was the only one out there, and Carter was locked up in the girls' room. And I was like, oh my gosh, did you like hump the couch and his ball fell out or something?
Shut up!
What the freak? I don't know what the hell it was, and it was like all like, had the little weird thing sticking out of it. Like, I was like, oh my god.
That's too funny.
I know, I was like, did he like throw up like a stack of like stones or something? So then I put it in the bag and I was like, well, I'm going to save it in case he starts having like issues later. I was like, then Dawn can take it to the bed or something. And I was just so Dawn, she probably was freaking out.
I wonder why he didn't eat it.
Because he probably was like, what the heck is this? It looked crazy, David.
He's a dog. He doesn't know any
It
different.
looked crazy. I don't even care if you're a dog or not. That shit looked crazy. I swear I thought it was his testicle. I was like, oh my god. His ball fell out. I was like, he humped too many things.
Oh my gosh. Isabel, such drama. Here, Isabel, help me pour this.
I was really scared though. You should have seen me. I kept telling.
Oh, which one do you want to do? Yeah.
You should have heard me telling RJ. I was like, RJ, I don't know what this is. He didn't even seem concerned. He just went to see Scotty. He was like, well, she's all right. I was like, but what is this? You don't understand.
Swish it around in there.
You don't understand.
This is the rooster that I killed. Why didn't I kill it?
Right now?
No, I didn't kill it right now. I killed it yesterday.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
When did you do that?
I was at my friend's house.
Oh, you guys killed it at your friend's house?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, interesting. I don't know if it's really gonna get anything because I probably need to scrape it.
It's fine. I'm gonna turn it into.
So, one of the roosters you guys gave him, you guys killed it?
Mm-hmm. Well, it's killing the other ones too.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they keep attacking his chickens.
And,
yeah, they're just bullies.
Motherfucker.
And they don't deserve to live.
No.
In the fridge for till. Well, I'll cook it on Thursday. Yeah. So what is that? 2 days? 2 days!
My name is Davey, life got crazy, I used to get around. Mama missed a baby, now I'm back in town on the Carter's tiny homestead.